Welcome to this tutorial on how to replace your alarm system's battery. First, open your panel box. You will see the battery inside connected by two wires. Disconnect these wires and remove the battery. Place your new battery in the box and make sure you connect red to red and black to black. Close and lock the box. Now we will perform the system test. On the keypad, press Command to cycle to Menu. Press the top right button for Yes and enter your personal 4-digit code. Then press Command to confirm. Use Command to cycle through the options until System Test appears. Press the top right button to confirm. Your system will emit a loud test noise. Then, simply wait for the test to complete. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced your alarm system battery.